it's great to see you both at work today, but I noticed you're not wearing your masks. Let me pull up some things about COVID on my computer to remind us about staying safe when we go to work and when we get to and from work.
What is COVID-19?
COVID-19 is also called coronavirus. It is a respiratory illness that spreads from person to person. This is why we have to stay socially distanced from people we don't live with. Some people are infected with COVID-19 but don't show any symptoms. These people can still spread the virus to others.
How do I protect myself from COVID-19?
According to the CDC, also called the Centers for Disease Control, there are three main ways we can slow the spread of COVID-19. The first is to wear a face mask. The second is to stay at least 6 feet apart from people who we do not live with. And the third is to avoid crowds. Some other things we can do is wash our hands or use hand sanitizer, stay at home when we are sick, and clean surfaces like our desk, doorknobs, and light switches.
I have a disability. How do I protect myself?
People with disabilities do not have a higher risk of becoming infected or having a severe illness from COVID-19. But you could be a higher risk for COVID-19 if you have an underlying medical condition like a heart condition, lung disease, or a weakened immune system. Talk with your doctor or healthcare provider if you have any questions.
When do I have to wear a face mask?
To reduce the spread of COVID-19, wearing a face mask in public settings and in indoor and outdoor events and other gatherings is essential. The CDC says masks protect you and me. You must wear a mask on buses, trains, and other forms of public transit. You also need a mask when you take a taxi, an Uber, or a Lyft.
What kind of face mask should I wear?
You should choose a mask that has 2 or more layers of washable and breathable fabric. The mask should completely cover your nose and your mouth and fit snugly against the sides of your face.
What is the correct way to wear my mask?
It is very important that your mask covers your nose and your mouth. You should not wear a mask under your nose or around your neck, on your forehead, or on or under your chin.
How do I wash my hands?
Washing your hands properly is essential. The CDC explains that we should all follow 5 easy steps to wash our hands the right way. First, we wet our hands with clean water and apply soap. Next, we lather our hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Lather the back of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Then scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. 20 seconds is a happy birthday song from beginning to end 2 times. Then I rinse my hands under clean, running water. And last, I dry my hands using a clean towel or by air drying. Remember, you can also use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer if you cannot wash your hands with soap and water.
What is social distancing?
Social distancing, also called physically distancing, is essential. It means keeping a safe space or distance between you and other people who do not live in your home. It is recommended that you stay at least 6 feet apart or 2 arm lengths from other people not from your household. Remember, you can still wave hello and goodbye as a safe way to greet people. Now you can wear your masks just like me. And one last thing. It is important that we maintain social distancing and we keep wearing our masks and washing our hands and following all the other COVID-19 safety protocols, even after we receive our COVID-19 vaccine. I am so glad we had this talk, but I got to get back to work, so I'll see you later.